guys, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. So first of all, I'm thinking of doing like a modern-y flapper. So that's why I look crazy. But anyway, let me show you guys the palette. Let me just light this off. It has my like handprints all over it. This is the palette right here. I'm looking at some info online and it looks like the palette's gonna be $65. I'm not sure if that's exactly it or not. This isn't from Natasha Denona's site. This is from like another site that's kind of revealing a little bit like of a sneak peek about the palette. But when this video is out, the palette will already be out, so I'll have it linked in the description down below in case you guys wanted to check it out. But it will be available on the Sephora app 9/2, so that's September 2nd, and then online on September 3rd. And then if you guys wanted to see it in stores, it'll be September 9th. Alright guys, these are the Natasha Denona Retro Palette swatches. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I hate swatches. I just think it's kind of pointless. The way that it performs on your eyelids is very different than doing a swatch, so if you guys want to see how the eyeshadows actually perform, I'm going to be doing an eye look. Like I said, I want to go for more of like a flapper look. I guess I'll be doing kind of like a mixture of a modern flapper with just like classic flapper? I don't know. And I'm kind of toying with the idea of doing like a monochromatic look. So I'm trying to decide whether I want to do my hair, which I have blue hair. Well, right now it's like faded into like a greeny color. I'm either gonna do it, oh, what the heck? So I'm either gonna use my own hair color or I'm thinking of like, you think of like a pink wig and doing like the pin curls with it. I don't know. But I'm gonna dip into the shade, is it Amara? Which is a really nice dark mauve. The lighter mauve in here is called Go-Go. These eyeshadows do have so much payout. From what I was reading, that's the whole idea behind this eyeshadow palette, is that there's minimal effort and high color payoff. Look at this, holy shit. Natasha Denona palettes are really expensive, but the quality is really there. So if you're somebody who doesn't mind spending a little more on eyeshadow palettes, I think that they just do such a good job. I mean, this is such a great color palette. You can really create a fully realized look with this. And you can go more on like the really light natural side if that's something that you wanted to do, or you can make it super glam. I'm also noticing that there isn't much fallout. There's a little bit on the corner here, but besides that, it's going really well. Let me know what you guys are gonna be for Halloween. I'm obviously excited for Halloween. I'm trying to like mix any kind of product reviews into a Halloween look because I mean, I know it's like 2 months away, but my whole life is based around Halloween. I guess for me, like, Halloween is every day. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll understand. I really need to mix more of my looks over here, because I feel like if you just watch me over here, you'd have no idea what I do over there. I do some weird shit. I'm also gonna take this shade and go underneath here. This palette would be really good for like a fortune teller too, if you're trying to look for some Halloween ideas. I'm going into that darker berry shade, which is Rebellion. And I'm focusing this on the very outer corner of my eyes here. We're still going strong with not a lot of fallout at all. Like I honestly don't see any. I'm really liking this palette. I think this look is coming together. I'm trying to decide whether I want to do like a full burgundy eye or if I should mix in this like brownie shade here, which is called Apart. I think I might do that because that would err more on the classic side of a flapper, even though they used like more like charcoal-y colors. Let's just go for it. So I'm using this brush here. I mean, it's definitely taking pigment, but let me try my finger. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit easier to apply this one with your finger. For the corners, I'm gonna use a brush. And then I'm gonna take this into the crease. And I'm not being super perfect with this because I don't even know how flappers applied eyeshadow. Do you think they did it with their fingers? I don't think they had brushes back then. Maybe they did. And I'm just gonna leave the center of my lid so that we can put on another color there. And just keep it super white, or light I guess I should say. I'm gonna take this underneath my eye as well. And I'm mainly focusing on the outer corner here. I'm taking that brush that we initially laid down more of that mauve shade with and just gently tapping over the edges to buff it out a little bit. Give it more of a blown out look and not perfect. Then we're just gonna do the same thing on the other eye and then, ooh, what the heck? Then I'll be back to fill in the center here. I'm not sure what color I should do there. Maybe I'll do that pink. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Mod, which is that really super light pink shade. And just go underneath my brow. Just to make this transition look a little bit more dramatic. Now for the eyes, I can't decide whether I want to go in with Jude or Psychedelic. So Jude is this guy here. It's like I showed you guys already, but it's a brown. It's like a brownie silver, and then here we have that pink. You know what? Let me try. I'm gonna do Jude on one side, and then I'll do the pink on the other, and then whatever one I like more, I'll just combine them. But this way you can see the colors, and then I'll just buff around it. I do really like that. It's not as dramatic, but let me see how the other one will look. Oh, I think I do like the pink a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is go over top of this one with that brown, and then I'm gonna top them both off with that pink. Ooh, and I even topped it off with a little bit of that glitz. That's really making it shimmer. I'm also gonna take this underneath my eye in the center. Put some mascara on. Oh, Jesus. This one is by Trustique, by the way. I love this mascara. It's been my favorite. Look how good of a job this does. I mean, I have pretty long lashes anyway, but this one does not smudge throughout the day. When you wear it on your bottom lashes, you don't get that like raccoon eye at all. And it just really holds the curl all day. And this also has, I haven't used it yet, kind of freaks me out, but it does have a little eyelash curler attached to it. But look at how amazing that mascara makes your eyelashes look. And I like them a little bit chunky, that's why I chunk them up like that, but that is also very much the style. You know what, should I do the inner corner of my eyes? Yeah, I like that. So I went in with the glit for here. Okay, now I need to decide the hair thing. Let me go off camera, see if I can make the pink wig work with the pin curls, and if not, I'm just gonna come back with my regular hair, because I kind of cheated and did the waver. I had my hair in a high pony for another video that I just filmed before this one, but I did like pin curls. I can go back over it with the waver because it's kind of faded now, because I did it last night, but I'll go in with the waver and make it look like those super harsh wave lines. But yeah, let me see what I come up with. Alright guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? I decided to use my own hair, which, I mean, I wish I had it done because it's just, like I said, it's faded and you can see the stripes here just look like, ugh, kind of shitty. But overall, I really like the way that the look turned out. I'm glad I had all of these pieces. I had a bachelorette party a few years ago. This was probably like 8 years ago that I went to, so I had a lot of this stuff. And these earrings I bought for like a Disney princess thing or something, I don't know, but they match perfectly. Oh, you know what? I can always wear this bracelet too. If I don't even know if you guys even care, but this bracelet, these earrings, and this is actually a choker that I'm using as like a hairpiece, but this is just, it's like a 3-piece, 4-piece set or something like that on Amazon. Got it for like 10 bucks. But it's just paid off for a ton of looks. I can just keep reusing it for different things. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. I really love this eye look. Let me just show you guys. I think it came out so good. This is just perfect for a flapper look. It's perfect for, I don't even know why I'm like rattling off like Halloween ideas right now. It's just perfect for an everyday look, really. Or if you just like burgundy cranberry shades, guys, this palette is so worth it. I love all the shades in here. And like I said in the beginning, I really like that you can do a really nice soft glam with this. They have a lot of really usable shades, like these two here. You got the nude mauve here. And psychedelic can still be a really neutral shade. It doesn't need to be anything crazy. And yeah, apart, or is it apart? Apart? I don't know how you say that one. But yeah, that was the shade that we use on the lid. It's just such a nice brown. I mean, you see it blended out. It's not like a crazy dark brown. And you can always lighten it up using Jude. I love this palette. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Make sure to give this video a like if you liked it. That really helps me out. And yeah. I'm so excited about this look. Again, don't forget to let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween. I'm really excited about it. I want to know what everyone's going to be. Last year, Halloween just kind of got canceled. I think even the year, was it the year before? Has it been 2 years now? I don't even know. I don't even know how long it's been. When did that happen? In 2020? And then it's going to be 2022 soon. Oh my God. Ugh. I feel like we all just wasted like 2 years of our lives. But this Halloween, I feel like is gonna be one for the records. I feel like everyone's gonna be out because everyone's just like sick of being caged in. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you like this look. I feel like I've said that like a million times. But yeah, okay, I love you guys, bye.